Hello and welcome to your June 2018 Economic and Educational Update from Les Goldstein and the PFS Wealth Management Team. According to the United Nations Development Policy and Analysis Division in the Department of Economic and Social Affairs, global economic prospects continue to strengthen, but risks have also increased. Global economic growth is expected to reach 3.2% in both 2018 and 2019, marking an upward revision from previous forecasts. This is the fastest rate of growth since 2011 and reflects upper revisions to the forecasts for roughly 40% of the world's economies. This is especially true in developing economies, thanks to rising wages, favorable investment conditions, and the short-term impact of tax cuts here in the U.S. According to this same United Nations report, the economy of the U.S. is operating at or close to full capacity with the unemployment rate under 4% as of April 2018. In Japan, the recovery continues despite a weak first quarter where gross domestic product decreased at an annualized rate of 0.6% relative to the previous quarter. However, GDP for Japan has been revised upwards from 1.26% annualized to 1.6% annualized. Not strong, but at least improving. European economies look strong, but again, look to have increased downside risk. As the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland prepare to leave the European Union, the transition will increase and uncertainty, especially relative to future trade relations, increases. And Italy and its new government has stated its intentions to move away from Euro area-wide agreements, and that could exert significant pressure on Euro policy. Looking at the Far East now, the short-term growth outlook for East Asia remains robust, with 2018 and 2019 GDP looking to increase nearly to 6% in 2018 and 2019, with strong private consumption combined with public investment helping these economies continue to grow. This includes the Republic of Korea and Thailand, and we are also expecting positive results in the Philippines and Taiwan. In Latin America, recovery is expected to gain momentum. After only 1% relatively meager growth in 2017, the UN Council is looking at 2% growth in 2018 and 2.5% growth in 2019. This economic activity is expected to be widespread, with the exception of Venezuela, which has entered its 5th year of recession. Positive gains are expected in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, and Peru. As always, we recommend balance and caution, especially in the world stock markets, as currency risks adds an additional risk that may not be suitable for conservative investors. That's all we have for this June 2018 Economic and Educational Report. Now for our verbal disclosure. While we believe the information contained in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or the solicitation for the purchase or sale of any investment security. Please consult with us, your team over here at PFS Wealth Management, before making any decision. Les Goldstein for June 2018, signing off.